So today is September 15th. We got Interlaken Seedless Grape here. Last week I reviewed Hemrod. Lakemont does get quite larger clusters. They look almost the same, except the taste is different. Otherwise, it's really hard to tell them apart. So they're medium size. Fruits, and they are non-slip. You can't, doesn't work. It's more of a sweet tart at this ripeness, and they can get extremely sweet, more sweeter than Hemrod when they get very ripe. Sometimes that's a little too much for me. At this ripeness, it's perfect balance of sweet tart, but it's definitely different than Lakemont. It's pretty similar to what I said last year's harvest. And as the tree matures, it becomes better producers.